Hello and welcome back to Just Shake or Stir. As you can see right now, I am on my own. We are missing Georgie, who has decided to jet off on holiday. Very kind of him to leave me alone here, but nonetheless, I've been left free range of Georgie's bar, which means I can do what I want. So today we're going to make an Elixir Tropical Cocktail. So my friends, if you're ready for some shaking, stirring and some sipping, here are the ingredients. So our ingredients today for the Elixir Tropical Cocktail is based on white rum. So today we're using the 5 Rivers, but you can use whatever you like, whatever you prefer, your favourite rum, white rum. And then we're going to have some lime juice, some Orgeat Syrup, Luxardo Maraschino Liqueur, some Angostura Bitters, and lastly some mint leaves. So grab your shakers and we're going to get going. So we're going to start with the base, which is the rum, which we're using 60 millilitres of. And then 20 mils of the lime juice. And also 20 of the Orgeat syrup. And just 7.5 mils of the Luxardo. And 3 dashes of your Angostura. And 3 fresh mint leaves, just in the shaker. I'll do 4, why not? So if you're wondering why I actually did 6 dashes of the Angostura, we actually use Japanese dashes, which is actually 0.5 of a dash. So we just did 6, which is equivalent to 3 in the recipe. Next, ice. And now we shake. Now we serve into a coupe glass. And today I'm going to double strain this just because it's got the mint leaves in and we don't want any of the ice shreds. So there we have our cocktail, and finally for the garnish we're going to use fresh nutmeg grated on top. Just over a little semicircle over half of the cocktail there. So there we have it, the Elixir Tropical. Let's give it a try. I have to cheers to you because I don't have Georgie. So without spilling it, that's actually really nice. The perfect rum-based cocktail just to sip in the sunshine that we don't have currently. Probably what Georgie would enjoy on his little beach holiday. So that's it from me, guys. Hopefully I'll see you next week with Georgie, unless he's getting lost on the beach somewhere. As always, don't forget to subscribe, leave us a comment, we'll reply, and a like. We'll see you next week.